Yeah, we got a roadway here. Get off me, mosquito. But something was up in here making that sound. Clacking wood sound. I don't care if you got cars or not, that sound still wasn't natural. About time to get something to drink. I'll be right back, guys.